Video, I will show you the process of creating pastel portraits step by step, from the sketch, line of colors, skin tone, shadow and highlight to the final detail. Pastel is a way of creating portraits using colors and a natural skin tone with a soft transition. While creating amazing artwork like this using pastel, first of all, you need to sketch the work. You get your reference while sketching the work. After sketching it, you start to apply the colors. As you can watch the tutorial, the process from the beginning to the end. Subscribe and stay tuned for more as we progress. So after sketching, laying of colors, you graduate the artwork from the darker to the lighter skin using the reference of the picture you have seen. Whether you are a beginner or you are an experienced artist, with these little tips can help you elevate and take your art to the next level. So these are some of the issues or problems some artists encounter, and they find it difficult to get the right effect on the object or the figure they are drawing. Because if you want to make an artwork, you already know what you want to draw, being a figure or being an object. You're already getting it. Using the right materials in creating the artwork, it can really help you improve on your work. If not, you will be using the material that are made for charcoal pencil and be drawing pastel work. It won't work like that. And these are the type of pastel you are going to use in creating your pastel portraits. For me, this is the pastel I use, soft pastel. So if you watch this video up to you now, subscribe and stay tuned for more art and tips. Here I teach and I explain how I create my amazing artwork, as you can see. So if you watch this video up to you now, comment, tell me what you think of it, help me share. So that is just about that. With that, it can help you improve on your drawing. Using the right materials while making your artwork can help you improve, using the reference of what you are creating your artwork with. Because if you are working, you have that which you want to draw, you have the reference of what you want to draw. So if you are using the reference, you sketch the work, start to apply it, being black and white or colored pastel. But in this video, it's pastel that we are talking about. So hope you learned something today to improve your drawing. See you in my next video.